Sorry, they're cock-a-doodle-dooing. That way that kind of didn't sound right, but please next time watch your words.
Then just don't do it.
True. Baleen, you leave my chickens alone before I put you in the house. In a 2-minute timeout.
Right now they're loud because they know what's happening.
Yeah, they know it's coming to collect eggs.
But right now we only have one so far. So normally we wait a little bit
Longer.
more than one, but the babies are also ready to come out.
Yeah.
They're actually by the door.
But I kind of don't want them to come out today because it is a bit chilly for them.
They gotta get used to it.
I know.
So we can let them out a little bit. And
Ash! That cricket was loud. Here's cricket. The one that's walking away. Yeah, I think that is. Sorry. Not in that back one, cricket Ash. Oh, Jade is also the second loudest, so, well, third now. So that is Jade. No. That's Oil Slick. Okay, I forgot. Jade has the short head thing. Yeah, that's Jade. Jade has the short, thing on her head. Cone. Short cone. And that's Oil Slick and Ash. The reason why I named that one, that black one right there, Oil Slick, that one, is because when she's in the sun, she has oil slick colors that come out of her feathers. What kind of a name did you think up for a rooster this time last?
grasshopper. Cricket and grasshopper. Hey,
I'm
we
sorry,
got
what?
cricket, we need a grasshopper.
We also need a Beck, considering we have a Jade. And we also need a napkin, considering we have an oil slick.
We don't need a Beck, because that's why we didn't name her after.
If we have a Belle, we need a Beast. Because we have a Belle.
Yeah, she was the one.
She's the bigger white one. Belle's the bigger white one.
Yeah, but she also gets a dirty foot.
Bailey, what is that in your mouth?
It's a piece of wood. She's one of those dogs that loves wood. She
She's a
loves
weird
playing
dog.
with it, she loves eating it.
I'm surprised she hasn't pooped at a Christmas tree fully
Look at
lit up like
our-
the 4th of July yet.
Look at Amy Pig.
Don't eat that yet!
Look at Amy Pig. She's sitting
Bailey,
there
get that
beautifully.
out of your mouth! Hi, baby girl. That's my Dalmatian boxer, Amy Lee. That white one that's sitting,
Hi, Sadie.
the black and white one that's sitting. Right
Hi,
here,
Sadie
she's
Pie.
right here. This is Amy Lee. She's our Dalmatian boxer. All 4 of our dogs
A rescue.
from Second Chance Animal Shelter. Amy Lee. She is our Dalmatian boxer. She was in a kill shelter down south, and Second Chance said, "Oh no, she's a sweet girl. We're taking her." And it's my fault, considering I needed guinea pig food and vitamin drops for my guinea pigs, because I ran out, and I was running out of guinea pig food, I should say, and I already ran out of vitamin drops. Happened to run across a Second Chance Animal Shelter van. Bailey, no, you prancing deer head. Get away. Bailey, no. And coonhound, and she's a pain in the rear pocket. We want her not to attack animals that are our food source, but she chases after them anyway.
But she has not yet.
Yes, thank you. And as I was saying for Amy, Mom and Brianna and Alyssa were already. Alyssa and Brianna graduated school. I had not yet graduated from school because I am a different person. Oh, and Ash is starting to lay her eggs. Finally, you picked one that's not in the way back.
Well,
So she came running up to my mom because my mom's in a wheelchair. She has fibromyalgia badly enough where you know. Oh, look at, they're coming out, ladies and gentlemen. They're discovering this all on your own as well. Get your butt away. Sit, Faylene. Sit. Sit your butt down.
Some of them still need help.
Faylene, sit.
Ash, beat you up, Pepper.
Turning you into a stew? No, you will not be. Faylene, stop scaring my chicken. Go out the dang gun door. Sit. Faylene, sit. You have to use that stern foot. For Pete's sake, Faylene. Seriously, I want her not to chase our babies, our livestock that helps us. But we want her to chase off predators that are not on our turf or not ours in general. No, Faylene! Ow! Listen, this is why I kind of didn't want her outside. I'm not trying to be cruel, ladies and gentlemen, but she's the only one who is literally doing what she's doing. She's like trying to hunt my bird, our bird, Faylene. Faylene! I said no! She's a pain. But she does all the fun and you, mister, we think of you stuff with that stupid thing. When we're busy and you drop it in front of our feet when we're walking. Sadie Beth. We got her from Second Chance. I was doing school. Faylene, don't even you will go in that. Faylene! No! I have to snap my fingers at her, and it's a pain. Faylene, Ritter, I said no! She don't listen from Snot Rocket. Because I'm kind of having a little bad back issue today. We have 1 minute left. So Amy, we adopted her because we got her from Second Chance as well as Avon. And Faylene was also in a kill shelter down south as well. But she's our first dog that we got. She is our second dog that we got. She's a puppy. Supposed to be bred all over again. And her name is Sadie Beth. She was a purebred red killer. And Faylene!
Alright, she needs more time.
She needs to go in the house. I kind of don't care.
Oh, so I need them.
Yeah.
Stop this for right now. You do realize you were taking pictures of mostly dirt, right? Yes, you were.